You want to make 3,000 naira a day at the comfort of your home using either your laptop or your phone, then you need to stick around till the end of this video, because today I'm going to be showing you this particular secret website that is going to help you make at least 3,000 naira per hour on a daily basis. And the one good thing about this particular website I want to talk about today is that it is a Nigerian website, and everybody from Nigeria can actually register on this particular website and also make money. And what I'm going to be telling you today is something that you will actually do using your laptop or your phone. So my name is Linus, and as usual, I make video that teach you how to make money online. If this is your first time of seeing my channel, please, I urge you to subscribe to my channel right now. Turn on the bell notification so that each time I upload a wonderful video, just like the one that I'm about to do right now, YouTube is going to notify you of such video. And if you're a returning subscriber, I say thank you. Thank you for being part of my channel. I also urge you to like this video and also share it among your family and friends so that they also are going to be learning exactly what I'll be teaching you today, and also put it into practice and start making their own money. I will show you exactly what you are required to make this money. And also I'm going to be discussing some tools that you can use to make this money. Now, this website is basically known as Writer's Gig. Writer's Gig is a Nigerian website which helps freelancers to find perfect job. This website says find the perfect writer for your content, gain access to a pool of professional writers, and save time. Let's just say in this website, you'll be acting as a writer. And do not worry yourself, even if you do not know how to write, I'm going to be teaching you exactly what you will do today for you to be able to write perfect blog posts and different kinds of writing activities. Now, if you come to this category, you have blog writing, UX writing, content writing, technical writing, artistic writing, script writing, and ghost writing. These are the types of gigs that you'll be actually engaging yourself in this particular website. And this website is trusted by Silicon Africa, Librancy, Google, Vibes, and some other big names in the industry. And if you come down here, you will see that there are different top writing gigs. The first one we have here 4.5 ratings, and 6 people who are actually back here to give her these ratings might not be actually the number of people that she has attended to. Now, if you come down here, you will see there are also top categories of jobs that you can do on this website. Like you have technical writing, artistic writing, script writing, ghost writing, and blog writing. These are top categories of job that you can do here. Then if you come down here, you have, this is a platform to hire freelance writers or get paid to write. You have hired skilled writers, frequent engagement, and get paid seamlessly. On this particular website, you have buy content and become a writer. We have come here to become a writer, not to buy some content. So therefore, what you're going to do now is to, if you want to sign up here, you click on become a writer. I'm going to be linking of this website in the description box of this video. I'm in right now, and I'll put in my password I want to use. Thing has opened now. So, but one thing I want to tell you about this site is, for you to be able to get some work, you need to take training. That training involves watching some videos. What you need to do here now is, you click on this training. These are the two videos you need to watch. After watching these 2 videos, then you'll be taken to take your assessment. So you must take little time to watch this video, because these videos are going to help you to be able to take this assignment. It's when you take this assignment that you'll be able to have some jobs that you'll actually be doing. Now let me show you how to source for job on this particular website. But before that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please go and hit that subscribe button right now. Go and hit the subscribe button right now, and make sure that you give this video a thumbs up if you're getting a value from it, and also make sure that you share it among your family. And so what you're going to do right now is, if you come to this if you go to this place now, you come down here for you to be able to search for number of the kind of job you want to do. If you come down here, you will click on blog writing, and when you click on blog writing, you come here to the day that it was posted. You can use like 6 months ago. Then when you come to 6 months, then you can come down here and see some job that we are actually posted some few days ago. This one was posted like 1 month ago. This one was posted like 23 days ago. And this one was also posted on about 22 days ago. So for you to get this job, you click on this bid. But before you click on this bid, you must make sure that you have taken the assessment training that we talked about here. Make sure that you take this assessment training. When you take this assessment training, that you can actually bid for this job. Because if you don't take it, this thing will not open for you. If you click this place, it will take you to ask you to take this assessment training. Is this assessment training that will help you to do this kind of thing? And there's one, if you sign up on this and you want to write, if you choose this blog writing, I will advise that if you choose it, you can come and imitate this particular person. You can come and just look at some of the things they have written here. All these people that have formed this their gig here, just come, look at what they do. Please, one good thing about this, please, once you start up newly, do not put your price at a very high rate. Make sure that your price is within the moderate of between 2,500 to 3,000, so that you'll be able to get some client as quickly as possible. You can open any of these particular, all these people, you can open their profile, copy your own the way you want, copy their own, so that they will actually look similar like what these people have actually done, especially these people that have gotten different kinds of job from this website. So make sure that you put your own like that, and ensure that your price is going to be within. Now, these are some other subcategories that you can do from this particular website. We have technology, fashion, lifestyle, health, finance, education, agriculture, food. These are different subcategories that you can write under this blog writing. So make sure that you come down here, choose a particular category that you can write on. Like I said before, please, if you have not subscribed to this my channel, please try to subscribe. Go and subscribe. Now, I told you from the beginning that if you can keep to the end of this video, that I'm going to show you how you'll be able to write these articles. Now, let's say, for instance, now, if you choose this, if you take this particular topic now, you go to ChatGPT and you click. Then when you click this and the thing has written you all these things, now what you need to do is to copy it. Make sure that you don't just, by the time you finish writing all this thing completely the way it should be written, make sure that you don't just copy it and send it to your client. Copy it. I'll show you 2 ways that you can do this. You either use Quillbot, to write all these things, or there's a video that is going to pop up on this screen. Go and watch that video that's going to show you how to write out things manually using an app known as Writers app. Watch that video from beginning to the end. That video is going to show you how you can manually rewrite what ChatGPT has written, avoid plagiarism, or to avoid any machine written document. Once you watch this video and use the app I mentioned there, you're definitely going to write a very good article and give to your client. That's if you have not subscribed to this particular point, please make sure that you're going to subscribe. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you share this video. And if you have gotten any value from this video, please make sure you share it among your family and friends. Not say that you are not a writer, you don't know how to write content, that you know you're good to write this. You must certainly use this ChatGPT to write everything that is required of you. Write all of them, then make sure you write it perfect. So you're going to add some human feelings to whatever thing you have, ChatGPT has written for you. Then you now deliver it to your client. If you have gotten a value, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up among your family and friends. And please, if there's anything you need to say, please go to the comment section and begin to comment it now. I'm going to attend to all the comments comment section. Please guys, thank you for watching to this particular point. See you in my next video.